Desert is a place with no water, means the driest place on earth. And the lesson desert animals is all about the animals who live in the desert. It throws light on the ways the animals in the desert adapt themselves to the weather of the desert and the different methods they use to adjust with its harsh life. Like gribbles, spend the hottest part of the day in their burrows below ground. Darkling beetle drag drops of moisture on their legs, lift them into the air and drop down into their mouth. In the dry, rocky deserts of animals of America lives a snake called rattlesnake. It is called rattlesnake because it makes a sound with its tail. Another animal which lives in the desert is a mongoose. Mongoose love to search for food in groups. They are known for their ability to kill snakes without hurting themselves. The camel is known for its unique ability to live in the desert. They have long, shaggy coats to keep warm in winter, which falls away and gets shorter in the summer to keep cool. There are two different kinds of camel in the desert. The dormitory, it has only single hump. The bactrical camel, it has two humps. People usually think that camel's hump is a storage container and it stores water in it. But actually humps are full of fat. This fat feeds the camels when they have nothing to eat. They can use this fat to kill their stomach for days together when there is nothing to eat. Now we will have explanation of the chapter after summary. Deserts are the driest places on earth and sometimes go for months or even years without rain. But even the desert animal cannot survive without water for long periods in the scorching sun. So they have had to find different ways of coping with the harsh conditions. For example, gribbles spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows, and strange insects called darkling beetles are experts at catching drops of moisture on their legs, then lifting them into the air until the drops trickle down into their mouths. Not all deserts are endless seas of rolling sand dunes. Some are rocky or pebbly and dotted with small bushes, while others are sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring. Now, dear children, the word meaning: scorching meaning very hot, gribble, mouse-like desert rodent with long hind legs, dunes, heaps of sand formed by the wind, pebbly, stony. Deserts are the places which have less water and almost no rain for months together and sometimes in a year also. Therefore, they are the driest places on earth. But animals who live here, it is difficult for them as well to live without water for a long span of time, especially during hot days of summer, so they find their own alternate ways to beat such difficult conditions of the atmosphere. For example, gribbles go underground during hot and a darkling beetle in an insect which uses a strange way to beat the heat. They drag drops of moisture from their legs, lift them in the air and drop them into their mouth. All the deserts are not the same hills of sand. Each has its own characteristics. Some are stony and have a rugged surface with some bushy plants. Few also have colorful flowers during the spring season. Snakes are also of many types. There are about 2,300 types of snakes. They range from the smallest size, that is just 15 centimeters long, to more than 11 meters. Most of the snakes are harmless, but few are so poisonous that their one bite is enough to kill anyone. Most of them lay eggs to reproduce, but many are there who give birth to their young ones. American deserts are dry and rocky in nature. They live an evil-looking snakes with a very bad reputation. One can hear its sharp sound even from a distance of 30 meters. It strikes very fast with lightning speed. But the rattlesnake, or rattler as it is sometimes called, prefers to avoid people if it possibly can. Now the word meanings: voles, meaning small plant-eating rodents; chimpucks, small ground squirrels having light and dark strips; coil, to turn, to make a loop; vibration, movement; venom, poisonous toxin. There is also the rattler or rattlesnake. Its choice is to avoid people as much as it can. If it feels disturbed, it holds its tail upright and gives a sharp sound to make the intruder move away. But if its warning are not paid attention and it feels threatened, it will then turn around to bite. The strange thing is that it cannot bear the sound its tail makes. Like other snakes, it also hears through the waves produced on the ground. Means it can feel the vibration but cannot hear the sound. Snake can feel the movement of a walking person but cannot hear its voice. How loud may he shout? Rattlesnakes are commonly found in the American continent from Canada to Argentina. Their prey choice includes small animals like mice, small plant-eating rodent, rats, etc. They use poisonous toxin in their body to kill its prey. The way other snakes gulp down or eat animals completely, their eating habits also vary. Some snakes eat more than once a week, and some, like large pythons, can do without eating for a year or more. Mongoose like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators nearby, poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Predator, meaning an animal naturally preying on others, assuming, interesting, enjoyable. Forage, meaning search for food. Mongoose go hunting in groups. They always keep a place from where they can watch predators near them. It is interesting to watch them banded, poking their nose into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. It is very common to view them traveling in groups of about 20. They travel in search of food. Their food is beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. Dear children, in this video we will do this much. We'll carry on it in the next one as well. Thank you.